Hi everybody, it's Kristen. How you guys doing? I went shopping again and I just wanted to show you some of my new Halloween items. They were purchased from Amazon, At Home, and Family Dollar. So I'm just going to go through each item and let you know the price and give you a glimpse of how it looks and does. This was like a little fall critter. I got this for the fall and this was only $2. Very cute. They have I think 3 other different critters, like a fox and an owl. So I thought that was super cute. Next thing I found at Family Dollar was these cookie jars. I'm really into the sugar skulls, the Day of the Dead. I've loved this for so many years. So I thought these were super awesome and you can put anything you want in it. Cookies, candy, and these were only $5. And this was at Family Dollar. The next one, they had a black one to go with it. So I bought both because I loved them and I couldn't decide. And for only $5, how can you go wrong? Here's the black one, very detailed. And again, just $5 at Family Dollar. Then in the sugar skull section, they also had some coffee mugs. So these were super cute and detailed. And they're not too heavy, not too light, just right. And these were only $2. So I just fell in love. So of course I had to buy each color. Here is the black one with the blue handle. Again, these were only $2 at Family Dollar. The next thing that I saw there was the spoon or ladle holder for the stove. And this was $2 as well. So this is perfect for the October month to put out on your stove, match with everything for Halloween. It's pretty awesome. Then they had some fall stuff, so I decided to get this for Thanksgiving. This glass pumpkin, and it says give thanks. And this is only $5. Again, this was at Family Dollar. It's really cute. $5. Then they had these little pumpkins that had flowers attached to them, kind of cute to put around for decor. These were only $1. So I found this one as well as the white pumpkin with the flower on top. So these are Family Dollar, just $1. Very cute, light styrofoam. They also had these mini scarecrows. These were $1 too. So I bought 2 colors and I thought they were super cute to go around with the decor for fall. Last thing I bought at Family Dollar was this little sign. It says Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. And this was just $1 as well. So it's a nice little wooden plaque that will stand up on the wall or table. And then there was 2 other things I got from the At Home store. I absolutely love this. This is a little wicked gnome. He is so awesome and detailed. He was 20 bucks. But so worth it. I think he's so cute. You can put him in your garden or you can put him around your house for Halloween. He's just really awesome. And it's light. It's not really heavy. And they had these skulls at Home for $4.99. They're plastic, so they're not heavy. They're not going to break. So they're really good for props or to put around the house or your yard for when you're decorating. And then I got this setup, this 3-piece tier from Amazon. So I can kind of decorate this for each season as well. It was really easy to put together and this was $14.99 on Amazon. And then you can like also decorate it with the pumpkins, maybe put another mug up here with some straws and some different leaves around it. So I'm gonna mess around with that and show you how to decorate this. But I thought this was really cute to get, so you can just change it up every season. Well, thank you guys for tuning in. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Have a great day.